What's up, guys? It's August 4th, 2025. Today's gonna be a bit of a quick one. Ended up staying a little later at work than I would have liked to, but nonetheless, we could do this review. It was a pretty. This is the price action, maybe not the sideways price action, but this was the type of price action I was looking for yesterday. When I was like, man, I'm feeling more bullish, and I was trying to explain that this is the first touch, this is the gap bar, and it's actually a better buy. So I was a day early. Kind of sucks. I couldn't take advantage of it. But the majority of the rally happened overnight, and then a quick rally in the morning, anyway. So it wouldn't be too much to swing. But this is what I thought was gonna happen on this day. 1 second. But yeah, that's kind of. I'm gonna next time this type of price action happens, or like we have a big gap above or below, a gap bar above or below the EMA, I'm gonna wait for the markets to tell me this is coming. Starting to swing down here wouldn't have been bad, you know. This is a pretty strong looking bull bar so far. 2 bar reversal. But we'll see what happens. Bears do want to get second leg down. If they were going to get second leg down, bulls that bought up here buy more lower. They sell out 50%, and then they get that leg too. Or this is a trading range. This was a trading range lows from right here, and now we're starting that rally. Again, today's gonna be a real quick one, guys. I've been talking to customers all day long. All right. I don't want to do a quick shout out to the members and subscribers. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your time and watching these videos. We have a gap up, bar 1, bull bar closing on its high, with follow through on 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is an inside bar, so this could mean this buy the close rally is coming to an end soon. It's compression, and then a breakout bar 6. Inside bar is a type of triangle. Type of triangle right here. And 50% of the time the market can retest the middle of the triangle. And look, bar 5 is, did I say bar 6? Excuse me, bar 5 is an inside bar, breaks out, retests here, and then rallies. Big gap up, a lot of bullish momentum. We go sideways for quite some time here, all the way to bar 20. What is that? Bar 28. In the market cycle goes breakout, first pullback, and then we channel higher. So here's the breakout, first pullback, bar 8, the first bar that takes out the previous candle's low. Leg 2, pullback, leg 3. We go sideways. This ends up being a very long bull flag. Bulls are eager to buy the first touch of the EMA and bar 27, and that rallies. It led to a new high, led to a swing high, so there's the minimum target, but it'd be a hard hold going from 1 to 2R because there's more of a trading range day. You could still trade legs though. Let's see. Bears short the low of 27. They short more higher. I was checking something out earlier today. Let me turn those off. I'm working on an options system because I want to start swinging. Leg 2s on higher time frames on stocks, so I'm working on an option system. I got kind of beat up today. I'll show you guys in a second. So rally, shot off to get leg 2, and it does here. It's a very long leg 2. I don't know if I personally would have traded this because leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Bulls buy here, they buy more lower. Wait a minute. No, bulls but bears short down here, bears short up here, they get out at 50%, and the market goes more sideways and then quickly vacuums into the target and sells off. Nice buy the close rally. I'll show you guys. I got beat up. I traded like a jackass tonight. I'm gonna probably have to make like a soft rule and no trading if I work like as much as I work today, because honestly I have a routine I do before I trade, and I just threw it out the window today to try and catch a quick move after work. I thought I was gonna be cool catching 2 moves in a row, like getting paid at work and getting paid to trade. which usually it works, but I couldn't check my phone today. There were so many customers. So saw this leg, got filled, and then I exited on this bar here. Okay. And I was thinking, okay, it's more bullish because of this price action. So took this trade. Actually, I took this trade because I know I didn't get filled. Yeah, I got filled on this bar. I didn't get filled on that bar. Took that trade, stopped out. Then I was like, okay, now that's 5 bars in a row. I was a little cautious of bar 212. So I took this trade, and then I exited out on 216. And look, it pretty much went to target, I guess, maybe one tick. So that kind of frustrated me. I missed this whole move here. I was still more bullish because we were above the higher time frame EMA. Took this trade here, exited for actually also I was sizing up one contract because I exited on 240 for a bigger loss. Then I was getting kind of desperate. I didn't get filled on this trade. Something was different. Maybe maybe I don't know. Maybe I didn't take that or I pulled it right away. But I remember I was sizing this up and it looks like it would have worked, but I didn't take that one. And then I took something here outside of the system. I think I shorted this bar. But there's 2 bars. Is this NASDAQ? No. Yeah, as you can see, I don't even know what I was doing. Anyways, this bar snapped out against me and I hit out for a pretty nasty loss and then called it. Yeah, I threw the routine away, threw everything. I just was like, screw it, try to make the money back. I kept sizing up. So that's fun, but we keep moving forward. So it is what it is. Yeah, still excited to trade tomorrow morning, but it's gonna take me some time. I hope I can get a payout this month. I got past the payout. I was kind of talking about my patterns to Claude, the AI, and I didn't realize this, but this is gonna sound kind of silly. Before, I couldn't even pass a funded account, and I can do that pretty much with the blink of an eye. Then I'd get the funded account and blow it up the next day. Then now I'm blowing it up after I reach the payout threshold. And I was like, why would I be blowing it up after I reach the payout? Because almost the last 2 or 3 accounts I had, like I think it was like 2 weeks ago, I was past the payout threshold. And then the ones before that, like the payout, I blew through the 30% consistency rule and then took a huge hit, tried to make it back. So what I'm trying to get at is I have gotten, it's been slow, but I have been going further each time. And Claude pointed out that, and I agree because I was explaining my patterns to see, like, am I missing something here? I'm following the systematic approach to the target, but then when I hit the money target, and I do this, I size up to try and make more money right before the payout. And this payout for this account was this Friday, and I reached the payout threshold yesterday, and then look, I did it again. But now I'm aware that, well, it's weird because, I hope you guys don't mind me venting. It's late at night. I'm gonna cut this off in 30 seconds. But yeah, I don't know. It's weird. That's a pretty alarming thing to do. That I can follow the system when there's not, because I'm following the system right until I get past the payout threshold, and then can I make a quick 1,000 to get paid out sooner? And that's actually exactly what I thought when I was sizing up right here. I was like, let me size up, make it back, make it extra couple $100. I'll trade bigger tomorrow. So I'm already not in the right mindset. Anyways, that's it, guys. Quick breakdown, a little bit of a rant. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a good one. Hope you had a better day than I did. I will be waking up bright and early tomorrow to trade. I got work again, then I'm off until Friday night, Saturday-ish, something like that. So it'll be fun. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for your time. Bye.